All right, and to accompany your complementary and supplementary notes, we are going to talk about perpendicular lines really quickly. So the definition of perpendicular lines, rays, or segments are ones that intersect at a right angle. They make a right angle with each other. So here's a couple of examples. Lines A and B, if they're perpendicular, then they make right angles, and same with the rest of those examples shown. So we're going to work two quick problems with perpendicular lines, segments, rays. So the first one is we want to find the measure of angle 1 if DE is perpendicular to EF. That symbol means perpendicular. And if EG bisects angle DEF. So I have this drawn over to the side so that I can mark it up. So if I'm told that DE is perpendicular to EF, that means that angle DEF is a right angle. This makes a right angle. And remember, right angles are equal to 90 degrees, so I could say that angle DEG plus angle 1 is equal to 90 degrees. Now, I'm also told that EG bisects my angle, so that means it splits it into two equal parts. So that means the measure of angle DEG is equal to the measure of angle 1. So I can substitute in for DEG into my original equation. So I could say angle 1 plus angle 1 is equal to 90 degrees. And now I have an algebraic expression I can solve. I can combine my like terms. 2 times angle 1 is equal to 90. Divide by 2. And I find that angle 1 is equal to 45 degrees. All right, let's do one more problem. Here on number 2, we're given a triangle, and I'm told, let me turn on the light so you can see it better. I'm told that MOR, angle MOR, is 3x plus 7 in measure, and then I'm told that angle ROP is 4x minus 1 in measure, and I'm told that MO is perpendicular, remember that symbol means perpendicular, to OP. So MO is perpendicular to OP, so this makes a right angle. That means angle MOP is a right angle. And remember, right angles are equivalent to 90 degrees. So I can say the sum of my two angles, angle MOR plus angle ROP, that's equal to angle MOP, and that's a right angle. So I can plug in my values I'm given. 3x plus 7 plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 90. So now let's solve this. This is algebra again. So I'm going to combine my like terms with my x's, and I get 7x. Then I can combine my constants, and I'm going to get 6. And now I'm left with a two-step equation. 7x is equal to 84. I divide by 7, and I get that x is equal to 12. But the problem doesn't ask me to solve for x. It wants me to tell which angle is larger, MOR or ROP. So I need to plug this value of x back in so we can figure that out. So MOR, remember, is 3x plus 7. So that's going to be 3 times 12 plus 7. So that's going to be 36 plus 7, which is 43. And angle ROP is 4 times 12 minus 1. So that's going to be 48 minus 1, which is 47. So what's bigger, 43 or 47? It's 47, so angle ROP is bigger.